Hi guys, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to Mel's Kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to make Jamaican style ESCOVITCH fish. Before we go ahead and start, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the ingredients that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need your fish. I'm using these two beautiful babe, which I already went ahead and seasoned overnight with some salt and pepper. For the sauce, we're going to need some salt, some hot pepper, some sugar, some vinegar, carrots, sweet peppers, and onions. And in my pot over here, which is already preheat, I have some oil. So my pot is already preheat and we're ready to put our fish in. So we're just going to go ahead and get right to it. And afterwards, I'm going to show you guys how to make the sauce to make this fish extra special. So we're going to let our fish cook on both sides to make it golden brown, as beautiful as possible. And then while our fish is draining, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. Okay, you guys, so now that our fish is golden and looking really nice, just the way we like them, we're going to remove them from the oil and put them over here to drain on this paper towel. Now that our fish is finished, we're going to move on to the exciting part, which is the sauce, which you need to pay very keen attention to. So let's just jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a separate saucepan. In my separate saucepan, what I'm going to do is throw all my ingredients in here on low flame, because we want it to slow steam for about 3 to 4 minutes, somewhere there, to get all these flavors out very nicely. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to throw my vinegar in. And then I'm just going to let everything else follows. I'm just going to throw everything right in there. You guys, all this pepper is going right in here. Throw in your salt to taste. And then I'm going to throw the sugar just to bring up all the other flavors out. You guys, if you could just smell the aroma coming from this, it smells so good. And also what I'm going to do is I am going to take a small amount of oil from the same oil that I just fried the fish in and just throw it into my sauce, just to give it the kick of the flavor from all the fish. And I'm just going to let this simmer for about, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And I'm just letting this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Real Jamaican style. If you guys don't love pepper, the funniest thing, my husband doesn't love pepper, but when it comes on to fish, he will cry just to handle the pepper, because he loves all the flavor. And this will go nice with some festival, but that's another tutorial that I'm going to show you guys how to make Jamaican festivals. So yeah, you don't want to overcook this either. And this sauce, oh, the vinegar, this sauce, you can put it into a container and it can last in your fridge for a very long time, because the vinegar and the pepper is a preservative, so it won't spoil. For months you can keep this in your fridge and it will be awesome. You can put this on anything that you wish to put it on. All right, so this sauce is just about ready. So I'm just going to turn this off and then we're going to serve our fish. And I'm just going to put this all over this fish. So there you have it, guys, the Jamaican way, the most awesome thing you could ever taste. This is ESCOVITCH fish, the Jamaican style, and you can just pour some of the liquid right over it to make it taste so good. And the liquid is very strong, so yeah. Okay, you guys, there you have it. ESCOVITCH fish the Jamaican way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's your first time watching my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join our family, join our journey. Catch up on my vlogs, catch up on my natural hair tutorials. Hopefully you guys enjoy and will try some of my recipes. And don't forget to leave a comment down below, because I enjoy chatting up with you guys. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. The link is down below in the description box, and all the ingredients for this yummy meal is in the description box. So go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and try anything that you feel free to try. Add whatever you feel like adding and jazzing up your meal as always. And don't forget to share your outcome with me. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.